So we are going to try to operate. Remove your mask. So, as you could see, this one is the position knob. This one is used to vary the exposition. And this one is the time per division. This time per division is used to increase or decrease the time width in the x-axis, as you could see. So we are this one we are trying to adjust. This is for exposition knob. So we have adjusted the exposition, and now we are varying the time per division. So as I have increased the time per division, so as you could see, the waveform has become compressed, and now we are adjusting the exposition. So yeah, as you could see, in the previous case it was 3 divisions, now it's 1.5 divisions, and the T off was 2 division, now it has become 1 division. And now we are trying to vary the volts per division. It's becoming out of range. Now we have increased the volts per division, so the y-axis has now become a little bit compressed. So this is how you should use the cathode ray oscilloscope. Thank you.